Hello everyone, in this video let's see how many Chatgpt kind of websites are there. Okay, so you are seeing here chat.mistral.ai and this Claude and Chatgpt we know and Microsoft Copilot and Indian CEO Perplexity. Okay, you can use all these, any one of these, to get solutions for your Power Apps or Power Automate. Suppose if I want to create one mind map for the Power Apps learning. Okay, so I will use ChatGPT here and I will type like this: create a mind map of Power Apps learning of Microsoft Power Apps learning. List topics and as central ideas, main branches and sub branches. Okay, click it. So let's see how it will come. So it is generating a image kind of thing. So same thing, let's copy and check with other sites also. Okay, so it's generating something for the Microsoft Power Apps learning. Okay, so let's see, maybe it will give some topics related to Power Apps. It's taking some time. Let's go to Mistral.ai and type the same thing and click OK and wait for some time. So see now, here we got an image from ChatGPT to learn the topics. So see here, Microsoft Power Apps, overview, Power Apps, Canvas apps, introduction to Canvas apps. Okay, model driven apps, some kind of a spelling mistakes are there, but it's fine. Introduction to Power Apps, data driven, advanced, but it is not so clear, right? So this is not a useful for us. Okay, so let's type something like this: markdown. Okay, let's see. So now it is, see, now it is markdown, means it is giving one by one now. Microsoft Power Apps learning, mind map, central idea, so model driven apps, model Power Apps integration, all this in a high level it is giving some learning. So we can copy this markdown, and there is a software known as mark map here, so which can create mind maps for us. So let's go mark map, mind map. So mark map here, docs, markdown map, convert markdown into mind map. Okay, let's see now. So here we have mind map comment everything, and I'm just deleting this and giving this one. See now, it created something like a mind map kind of thing here. So first one, overview, benefits, use cases, everything is there, right? So if you go and see, it's giving a long one from overview, from central idea. This is a central idea for apps learning, main branches, overview, some kind of a mind map, but it's not so clear. It is okay for us. Okay, at least we got some kind of topics here. Okay, now ChatGPT is giving like that. So let's go to this Mistral API. See, it is very it's more like better than ChatGPT. You see here, central idea, main branches, introduction to Power Apps components, building apps, so advanced features. So all these things are there. in a nice uh, topic wise it given for us. Okay, it is also suggesting us to visualize this mind map. You can use a tool like Mind, Mr. X Mind, or even draw it on the paper. The central idea of Microsoft Power Apps learning should be the center with. Okay, so if you want to learn anything, or if you want to know the roadmap of any tool to learn, so we need to have a mind map diagram so that it will be easy for you to learn. So to create these mind maps, we can use this Mind, Mr. X Mind tools. Okay, so so the same query we have given with Chatgpt, it gave like this image which is not so clear. Again I used to click markdown and it gave a high level one only, but let me type I want in detail. Okay, let's see. Let me refresh this and wait for some time. Okay, so same question I will give to this other one, Perplexity. Okay, Perplexity's ways approach is different because it is like a Google search. Okay, so okay, let's see some. It's fine. Let me refresh this browser once again. Okay, just I'm typing now same and clicking this and see it is searching all the topics here, and it is also giving the source from where it is getting all this data. See here, here's a mind map of Microsoft Power Apps learning core concepts, Canvas apps, model driven apps, common tables. Okay, UX, it is more okay, so it gave so many things. Okay, ALM. Okay, it is more clarity is there in Perplexity, and also it is giving the references also from where it got the these topics. So if you want references links, you can use Perplexity. Okay, so now let's go to Claude and type like this, click, and let's see the answer. So we just asked a mind map. Okay, so it is giving so many things. Okay, see now it's created rough mind map. So what we need to learn in Power Apps, see, develop user acceptance, planning, test case, app architecture, forms control, business tools, optimization techniques, best practices, portal apps. Maybe it is looking like a little confusing, but it gave all the topics which are related to the Power Apps. So this I like this because it gave some kind of a at least it gave some terminology or whatever we need to learn here using this map. Okay, its Claude is more fine when compared to ChatGPT for this query. Okay, let's go to Copilot and try here. So Microsoft Copilot, so it is a detailed mind map structure. It gave the structure, but fine, it gave some okay, some topics. It's fine, it's like average. Fine, this is building apps, app types, canvas, model to apps. But let me ask, I want more detailed one. So Microsoft Power Apps learning central idea is this. Okay, setting up Power Apps. Okay, now it is giving like one by one more deep into the things. Okay, so when you want to learn something, or if you want any solution, you can make use of all these websites. Especially we know this Chat GPT. Next we can use Mistral.ai, Copilot, Claude, and Perplexity. So because most of the people who are working with this power apps, which is new for them, they will have a starting problem, and you can use how these tools and get some solutions on your requirement. Okay, so see, you can go to the, okay, you can ask other things also for about power apps and power automate. So let's check some of the uh, things how we can get a solution from this. Design a flow in power automate which will send reminders if some date we must give, right? If something say like if end date if end date exceeds 5 days from now, from today's date. Okay, just see, so go to power automate, click create. So action initialize variable today string format, nice. Initialize variable 5 days from today, format datetime. Okay, so apply to each. Okay, so we are getting some kind of a knowledge on how to create the reminders in the power automate using this Mistral.ai. Okay, see, simple, it is giving a rough rough flow where we can make use of these steps. Okay, same thing, let's type in the perplexity and see. So perplexity is giving some kind of, it is checking some sources, also it is giving some kind of references also. See here, trigger set the flow to run daily specific time, something recurrence every 1 day, something it is showing. So add days 5, apply to check if end date is greater than today's date, greater if yes, action send an email. Okay, so key points they have given, and they are giving some references also. This is nice, right? So this is giving some references also. So better we can make use of this perplexity if you want references, so that you will get more insights on your requirement. Okay, this is just I want to show you how to make use of the presently available Chatgpt kind of similar websites, so there will be no starting trouble for you in designing the requirements and designing the apps. Okay, thank you very much, please subscribe.